Let's make art! Today, we'll make art like Roy Lichtenstein. You'll create your own artwork inspired by Roy Lichtenstein and his signature style of bold outlines, bright colors, and Ben-Day dots. Roy Lichtenstein is known as one of the founders of the pop art movement. Pop art is inspired by what's popular in American culture. You can pause this video or scroll back to any step if you need to. Here's what you'll need: a piece of paper, a pencil, a black marker to create bold outlines, coloring materials like markers, colored pencils, crayons, watercolor paints, or whatever you have in your home. Ready? Let's start. Roy Lichtenstein created artwork that depicted rooms in a home or everyday objects like a vase with flowers or a mirror. He would recreate images in a comic book style. Choose an area or object in your home to portray in your drawing. It can be an object you see or use every day, a small area in your home, or if you're up for a challenge, you can draw an entire room. Think about why you chose a particular area or object. What makes them meaningful to you? Grab your pencil and paper to create a simple drawing using only outlines, like you would see in a coloring book. Now go over the lines in your pencil drawing with a black marker. Lichtenstein filled his paintings with bright colors using stripes and Ben-Day dots. Ben-Day dots were usually printed by machines to make up the colors of pictures in print materials like newspapers and comic books. However, Lichtenstein painted them by hand using a stencil technique. Instead of completely coloring in all the blank spaces like you normally would, use markers, colored pencils, or crayons to color in your drawing using dots, like Lichtenstein's signature Ben-Day dots. You can fill in some spaces with stripes. In other areas, you can completely fill them in, and it's okay to leave some spaces blank. Here's an art tip. You can create colors by placing two different color dots next to each other. If you mix the colors red and blue together, they make purple. So if you place small red and blue dots next to each other, that area will start to look like purple from afar. Your pop art masterpiece is finished. We would love to see the art you create. With an adult's permission, share a photo of your art with us on social media by tagging The Broad and using hashtag TheBroadFrom Home. Next time you're at The Broad, you can see more artwork like Roy Lichtenstein's paintings and sculptures that may inspire you to make art at home. Thanks for watching.